Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a nice Connects hotel balloon. So let's start. First things first, you're going to get this here. And then next you're going to get this 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So you have a little platform now. Then you're going to quickly build one of these, put a green one on each side. And then what you're going to do with that, so you're going to get on this second one right here. And then after you do this, you're going to straighten them all up. And then when you connect these, and then with the remaining ones, you're just going to get a white one. Connect it, because there's no more connections, you might as well make it look like it is. So here it is. That's it. Now for the next bit, you're going to get this and build these, just place them on. And just like this. There we go, like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to connect them. There we go. Now it's all connected. And we can put that aside. After, you're going to get this. And after you get that, you're going to get this on here, this here, and this here. And you're just going to do that for another 8 times. And then what you're going to do is each one you're going to place it like this on the second one. And well, yeah, it's going to be bent. Kind of like this. So one's going to be straight like that, and then the next one is going to be bent on top of it. Like this. So each one you're going to go on top of each other. There you go. Like that. After, you're going to get this aside. You're going to get this. Place this here. Connect that onto there. This here. Like that. After, on each one, There we go. And then you're going to place this aside. And then you're going to get this. And then you're going to turn it this way. Like this. So then 1. You're going to need 8. Like that. And then you're going to get this. All you're going to do is place it like this. There we go. And then lift it out. I'm going to straighten it just like that. Well, that's not good. And then what you're going to do is get this, attach this onto here. So this is going to go this way. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get this, and you're going to get this, and you're going to get this, and I don't know. And when you do this, you're going to turn it upside down, and on the top, you're going to get 1, 2 like that. There you go, and put it on, and then attach this to here. Well, we can do that later. For now, we're going to attach these onto their corresponding one. So we'll start off with this one to here, this one to this one, this one to this one. There we go, like that. And now you're going to wait. You're going to get this. It's like going to be the head. So attach this one, and then attach that. There we go. And we are done. There we go. So here's the finished thing. This part is a little weak, so you need to be careful with it. But other than that, it's a very good and big design. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Subscribe to my videos. Bye guys.